not here can see. Okay. In order for me to make sure that you are doing your papers correctly, the first thing I'm going to do, welcome. We need paper, pencil. We've already started. The first thing I'm going to do is make sure my paper is split in quadrants. Remember, that's 4 equal parts, quad, like quadrilateral has 4 sides. So in order to, and I'm holding it up so my lines aren't so straight, but you see how I have 4 quadrants? Now, in order for us to get through multiplication really fast, I need you to do this right now. Now I'm going to use a blue marker so you see exactly what I'm going to write. So if you're just joining us, thank you. But remember, class starts at 1. It's 1:04. You need paper, pencil. You need to make a quadrant. Now, I'm going to put tic-tac-toe in every quadrant. But watch how I do it. Okay, I have to use a dark marker. That's fine. Oh, no. No, that was the marker I thought I had. So when I'm making my tic-tac-toe board, remember, I'm going to make it big enough so I can write a 2-digit number in it and big enough so I can see it. So I'm going to write another big tic-tac-toe board here. And another big tic-tac-toe board here. And I'm using that line on the side to help me draw straight. And finally, where that next final line is, I'm writing my last tic-tac-toe board there. Now remember, when you write your tic-tac-toe board, you need room for the big number. So we're going to start with big 9, then 8, then we'll do 7. I can actually make 7 bigger. So you can make it as big, and then I'll just do that with 7. And 9, 8, 7, 6, no, then 5. So on these are the numbers we'll make really quickly. I'm going to ask you to hold your board up so we can see. I know the rules now. Thank you. Okay, so here are the rules for our first one. We start left from 0 to 9, left to right, 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then from left to right, 9 to 0. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, you have 60 seconds to write your 9s. Use your rules. I'm starting my timer.
Now.
All right, let's go to 8s. If you don't need a whole minute, I'm giving you 45 seconds. The 8s, remember you double the 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, big 8. Then you start counting by 8s, but go backwards. 8, 6, 4, 2,
You're not
0.
sharing your screen.
Thank you, I'm sorry. So you start counting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you go backwards by 8s. 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. I'm giving you 45 seconds to recreate your 8s. Time started.
Done.
Ooh, That was 15 seconds, John.
Done.
What? That's less than 20.
Done.
What?
Done.
So with sevens, we start 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, and that's how we get big 7. But remember, big 7 is the one that points right there. So when we start counting for the second digit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll share the screen and we'll start the 45-second timer. All right, 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, big 7. Big 7 points here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 45 seconds started.
Done.
What?
Started ahead of time.
Makes sense?
Done.
What? I just wrote big 7. So big 5 starts like this. Remember, we start every number with 0. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Big 5. Then it's 5, 0. I know, I'm explaining first. Then it's 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. Here's the share. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, big 5. Then it's 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. I'm starting the timer.
Done. Done.
What? What?
Done.
Done, done, I'm done.
I'm done.
I know for sure at 45 seconds you all will be done. So that's awesome. Everyone hold your papers up. Let's see, please. 45 seconds was enough for everybody to have the same picture. That's awesome. All right, let's do some more. Let me press play and share. Whenever you do 3s or 6s, you're going to do 2 tic-tac-toe boards. So I'm going to show you how to create them where they're not up and down, but they can be sideways, however you want to. But they're going to be 2 tic-tac-toe boards. So let me. Do you want us to do this? So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So on your paper, when you design your paper, we'll just do 3s and 6s at the same. So we'll do 3s and 6s across the top. So at this point, I'm just going to split my paper in half. Not even up and down. Well, I can, but I'm only going to draw one line because I'm going to do 4s on the bottom. So 3, 6, 3s, and 6.
Can you make it brighter?
No, but I can bring my paper closer. Hold on.
I meant the line.
Oh, you can do whatever you want to your notes. They're your notes, remember? That's what helped you learn. As long as the picture we draw. But remember, it's just half of my paper. The first half is going to be 3s and 6s. The bottom half is going to be 4s. So when I say draw 2 tic-tac-toe boards at the top, draw 2 at the top. And for your number 4s, you need 2 letter M's, but they have to be wide. I'll show you how I do those next. So I started my M all the way at the bottom, but then I remembered I have to write numbers right there. So I had to white that out. So when I created my 4, I do my first M, make sure there's room, and then do my second M, or mountains, whatever you want to call them. And now there's room for me to write the numbers underneath. So make sure there's just room to write numbers underneath and on top.
Okay.
The first thing you do when you make your 3s, go 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. In your next box, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. Simple enough, right? And then when you count, super simple. You're just going to start here. Start at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Go to the next box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I'm going to give you 45 seconds to do 2 boxes at one time. We're not really done because there's one thing about what we did. We still don't know our 6s, do we? So remember our 6s, we are counting by 3s on this whole chart. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. So this is our chart for only 3s. If we wanted to count by 3s, you just make 1 and follow that rule. But if we want the 6s, we have to make 2. So how do we see our 6s? Here, here, it's on our corners. Here, 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 here. So when we count by 6s, it's like a diamond. 6, 12, 18, 24, 36, 42, 48, 54. Those are the 6s.
I still can't remember them.
I know you can't remember. That's why we're reviewing. So
I know it.
can I explain, please? Just this time? Okay, the multiples of 4. Think 2 and 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So it's sets of 2s, right? Just think 2s. So it's 0, 0. I'll actually write these out for you. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2. We're done with the sets of 2s. So we start here. We have to start over, but we start at the top. We don't start here. We start at the top. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Do you see how we created that? Sets of 2s.
Yes.
2 2s, 2 1s. You can't do it. 2 2s, 2 3s, a 4. Now this is the easy part. Remember, now we're going to move up and down like a roller coaster, like we're going on a mountain. So we're going to start 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Start over. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. I'll write mine out. So we're starting at the bottom of the mountain. Let's count. 2, 4, slide down, 6, slide up, 8, slide down, 0. Let's do 3s. What number do we start at? What digit do we write?
3,
3,
2, 2,
Then what digit?
4,
4,
Then,
6,
6,
then,
8, 8,
then.
0,
What did we just count by?
2s,
4, 2, 4,
Oh, we just made a multiples of what?
4,
4. So now when we count by 4s, let's do it. Look at your chart. Here we go. 1, 2. What number do we start at if we're counting by 4s?
2, 4,
What number do we start counting by if we're counting? Thank
4.
you. 0 or 4 would have been acceptable answers. Yes. So we can say 0. Then what would the next number be?
4,
Then,
8,
then,
12,
then,
16,
then,
20,
then.
32,
24.
24. Sorry.
28. 32. 36. 40.
I need you to practice counting by 4s